strictly bottom of the food chain.
Okay, everybody, let's pack up our courage and go chase a real adventure together.
I've seen sloths move with more hustle.
So, listen, what if we didn't just visit the farm? What if we marched right in and took control of the whole place?
Wait, hold on. What in the world just happened right now?
You couldn't catch a dead mouse.
What? We can't stand around like this. We've got to move, and we've got to get out of here fast.
Not so fast. This is our land, and we're not handing it over to anyone.
No more backing up. Let's push back and show them we won't be bullied.
Nothing but a glorified hairball.
I hate this. But we can't just let it happen like it's no big deal.
All right, everybody, focus. This is the moment we make a plan and pull together a real strategy.
Okay, change of plans. Let's fall back for now and retreat.
Please like and subscribe. Let's bounce and find some damn fruit in a new spot.
What? Hey!
Holy crap, these fruits are the bomb!
All bark, zero bites.
Oh no!
Now I can finally grub in peace.
Time to sink my fangs into this little twerp.
I gotta find some of that herb plant stat. That's the ticket. I'll polish off the rest of these bad boys. Damn, only a few left. I'll still demolish these last few. This sucks.
Absolute flea bag.
Why does this crap always happen to me? Who's that dumbass?
Wow!
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Yo, where's the dog fellas? We're getting late.
Hey, smash that like button. Morning, fellas.
Hey chicks, where's the dog? We're running late.
Okay, wait, I'll call him. Hey, dog. Hey, wake up. Wake up, wake up. You're still sleeping?
Oh, so sorry, guys.
Please like our videos, thanks. Oh no!
Bonk.
Hey, what's up, doggy?
Killer spiders are attacking us. Please hurry.
What?
Oh, wait, I'll be back.
Total bald brain.
Thanks, Gorilla. You saved us.
Everything's cool for now.
The next day.
Oh no! Someone stole my fruit. This is an outrage. Rhino, you're gonna regret this.
You think you can take me, kitty cat?
You stole my fruit. I'm gonna get you back. Help! Help! Somebody help me! Help! Help! Somebody help me!
What's the problem, Kitty? What's going on?
I need you to set a trap for that rhino. Do it now!
All right. I'll whip something up.
What?
Your roar sounds like a pathetic squeak.
Hey! How's the trap looking, Rhino?
Ow! Let me go. I'm sorry.
You saved the day, Bluebird.
No worries, buddy.
The farm animals are living happily in this amazing nature. The cow with her calves, and the sheep with her family are grazing here. Oh! There's an eagle coming towards the sheep. Oh, it catches the sheep with her claws and lifts it away. Oh, it's a panic situation. Help, help, help! A sheep is kidnapped. Help, help, help!
One day later.
The eagle is back in the farm. Oh, the animals are panicked again. Oh, this time the eagle catches a calf and lifts it away. Oh, help, help, help! The eagle kidnapped my calf. Help! Oh, Curry, earlier he kidnapped our sheep also. What? What are you saying? I think we should go to Mr. Gorilla for help. You're right. Let's go.
I'll turn your pelt into a throw rug.
Hey, Gorilla, wake up. We're in trouble. Hey guys, what happened? You look so panicked. Yeah, the eagle kidnapped our children. We need your help. Oh, in that case, the flying horse should help you. He's the best man for the job. Okay, Gorilla, thanks for the suggestion. Oh, I think I found him. Where? Where? Where do you see him? I think we should go and ask him for help. Yeah, we should act fast. Yeah. Hey, Pony, we need your help. Our children have been kidnapped by the eagle. Oh, is that so? Don't panic. I'll go and find them.
What?
The flying horse locates them. And gets into a massive argument. Oh, now they're at loggerheads. And the flying horse trashes one of the eagles. And now is the turn of the second eagle. And the eagle.
Next time, I'm biting your tail off.
Hey, children, get on my back, and I'll fly you safely.